Let's take a look at our second bio word, biofuels. You are probably already familiar with the word fuel. Remember, bio means life, so biofuel is life from living sources. Biomass is used to produce biofuels. An example of biofuel is the leftover vegetable oil that was used for making French fries. Corn was the biomass that created the vegetable oil, and the leftover oil becomes biofuel. That oil can be recycled and used as fuel in cars and trucks. In fact, one owner of 4 fast food restaurants engineered his car to be able to run on used vegetable oil instead of gasoline. Not only did his car go, but the leftover oil was recycled instead of thrown away. Ethanol is another type of biofuel. It is often used in engines that usually burn gasoline. Ethanol is an alcohol that is used for energy. It is made from the biomass of grains such as corn, barley, wheat, grass, sugarcane, and several other crops. 2 other types of biofuels are biodiesel, which is used in large trucks and tractors, and biojet fuel, which is used in airplanes. These fuels are made by processing oil, fat, and sugar collected from plants or animals. Besides biofuel, there's another kind of fuel called fossil fuels. Did you know what a fossil is? A fossil is a super old organism like a plant or animal that has been preserved in a rock. Well, fossil fuels are natural fuels formed in the earth from dead plants and animals that are millions of years old. We get fossil fuels out of the earth by digging, drilling, and mining. Fossil fuels like gas, coal, or oil are burned to make heat or power. Fossil fuels are used in school buses, cars, and trucks. They are also used in homes and business for heat and light. Fossil fuels are referred to as non-renewable energy sources. They are the opposite of renewable sources, which can be used again and again. Biofuel is different than fossil fuels. Even though material made from the plants and animals can be used to power things, just like coal or gas can, a big difference between biofuels and fossil fuels is that many scientists believe that biofuel is cleaner and better for the environment. Let's look at some of the advantages of using biofuels instead of fossil fuels for energy. They release less pollution into our air. Engines can run longer on biofuels. Biofuels reduce greenhouse gases, which are gases that trap heat and cause harmful effects to our environment. Biofuels are renewable, which means they can be replaced like a tree that can be replanted. There are different sources that can be used for biofuels. Using biofuels create more jobs for people who need work. And biofuels help us become less dependent on oil. While biofuels have some great advantages, there are also some disadvantages. They can be expensive to produce. The soil may have less and less nutrients when the same crop is grown year after year. Large amounts of water and fertilizer to grow these crops may lead to water pollution. If land is used to grow food for energy instead of for eating, a shortage of food might happen, which could mean that the cost of food could go up. Many people still believe that biofuels are a better and cleaner option to fossil fuels, but because there are still disadvantages, more research needs to be done on using them. Biofuels may become the energy source of the future. Maybe one day, you'll even own a car that runs on leftover French fry oil. Thanks for following Clarendon Learning. Be sure to subscribe. For more free resources, check us out at clarendonlearning.org.